Huck Finn is 13 years old, alone in a cabin with a violent drunk for a father, and he's about to fake his own murder to escape.
Wait, he fakes his own death? How does a kid even pull that off?
After Pap locks Huck in the cabin and leaves to sell logs, Huck saws his way out through the back wall. He loads supplies into a canoe he found hidden in the willows earlier that day. Then he stages a crime scene so convincing no one will come looking for a living boy.
So he's not just running, he's planning?
Exactly. Every move in this chapter is calculated. The first key moment is Huck's discovery of the canoe. A drifting canoe floats down the rising river, and Huck dives in like a frog to claim it. His first instinct is that Pap will be glad. It's worth $10. But then something shifts. Huck hides the canoe instead, and in that single decision, his escape becomes real. Twain shows us the moment a child stops surviving and starts acting.
That's such a small thing, hiding a canoe, but it changes everything.
The second key moment is the staged murder. Huck kills a wild pig, smears blood across the cabin, hacks the door with an axe, drags a sack of rocks to the river, and trails cornmeal toward a distant lake to create a false lead. He even sticks his own hair to the bloody axe. Twain gives us dark, methodical detail. This isn't a boy playing pretend. It's a desperate child engineering his own disappearance.
And he even wishes Tom Sawyer were there for the fancy touches. That's kind of heartbreaking.
Huck is the emotional center of this chapter, and what drives him isn't anger, it's exhaustion. He's tired of Pap, tired of the widow, tired of being owned by adults. When he floats downriver at night, looking up at the moonlit sky, there's a quiet relief in him. He's not celebrating. He's breathing freely for the first time.
He's not running towards something. He's just finally getting away.
The central theme here is freedom versus civilization. Huck rejects both Pap's brutality and the widow's rules by literally erasing himself from society. The rising river is the key symbol. It brings the canoe, carries away evidence, and opens Huck's path to Jackson's Island. The river is opportunity, escape, and transformation all at once.
Could you use the river as a symbol in an essay about freedom?
Absolutely. Connect the June rise directly to Huck's rebirth as a free individual. Essay tip. Use Huck's staged murder scene to discuss how Twain portrays childhood resourcefulness as a survival mechanism. Quote the line about wishing Tom Sawyer were there. It reveals Huck sees his own escape as less romantic than it is desperate. Here's your question for the comments. Does Huck's faked death make him free, or does it just make him invisible? What's the difference?
Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to Billabong Reads. See you next chapter.